We're all familiar with gradients and how to use them in the 2D sense, but what about in 3D? A 3D gradient in Spline is called a depth layer, and it just allows you to more accurately place the gradient on your 3D object where you want it to be. You can easily simulate things like lighting, create more shadows and depth. We all know lights can be very heavy in our files. It is really key to know to keep your file size down and optimize for the web. You can find the depth layer by selecting your object, going over to the material panel and adding a new layer, and then selecting the depth layer. With the depth layer selected, you will have some new controls available for you in the viewport. You can move your colors on the ramp using these handles, or using these handles to move in the 3D space. And like any other gradient, you can add color on the ramp, change the type from radial to linear, play around with the 3D gradient to add more depth to your scenes.